Some Arabic words have the same spelling but with different pronunciation and different meaning. This is because of the vowel diacritics, which is known in Arabic as harakat. Let's go through these words and see how they are pronounced. So first word is her. It is pronounced as sha'ar, sha'ar. While here, poetry, shi'r, shi'r. So her, sha'ar, sha'ar. Poetry, shi'r, shi'r. We have north, shamal, shamal. We have left, shimal, shimal. Shamal, north, shimal, left. We have fish, samak, samak. We have thickness, sumk, sumk. Samak, samak, sumk. We have sword, safe, safe. And we have summer, safe, safe. So sword, seen, safe, summer, sod, safe, safe, safe. We have whip, salt, salt, salt. We have voice, salt, salt. Seen, salt, seen, salt. Sod, salt, salt. Difficult, asir, asir. Juice, asir, asir. So, seen, asir. Sod, asir. Juice. Work, amal, amal, ain, amal. Hope, amal, amal, alif, amal. House, bait, bait, bait. Eggs, bail, bail, blood. So bait, bail, bail. We have question, su'al, su'al, and we have cough, su'al, su'al. So su'al, 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 su'al. We have the call for a prayer is called adhan, 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 and ears, adhan, adhan. So, call for prayer, adhan, 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 adhan. That's it for today. If you haven't subscribed, please go and subscribe. Share this video with your friends or relatives or anyone who is learning Arabic. Till next time.